traveling can be stressful. Packing, planning, and trying to get every detail absolutely perfect before you leave. But what if I told you there's a free AI tool that can make your travel easy, simple, and take all the stress out of planning? And will completely change the way you travel and make life so much easier and travel days a lot smoother. Hey everyone, welcome back to Lake to Lake. I'm Chuck. Today I'm going to share with you a way to make trip planning much easier and smoother, and actually maybe a little bit enjoyable. Well, that might be a stretch. If you like saving time and money and getting rid of headaches when planning your adventures, hit the subscribe button. Let's dive in. Here we go. Okay, the problem is the way we used to make travel plans. We'd sit around, make notes, where we want to go, what days we have off, how long it's going to take to get there. We get out the road atlas and we plan the trips. We keep one of these in the truck just in case all else fails. We have a backup plan. But the road atlas, and then we have the state one. When we're going to state parks, get a little bit better idea, especially hiking trails and whatnot, show up real good there. And then there was really the old-fashioned way, the old gas station maps, but you can't hardly find those anymore. And then we had some other ways. We use Google Maps on our phones and our tablets, and we had the RV Life Trip Wizard. And I'm not going to put any of these to shame. I mean, they all have their place, like RV Life Trip Wizard. It's a great tool. There's a lot to it. If you just go on a short trip and you need some details, like I'm going to show you, we're going to plan a 3-day trip to Branson, Missouri, from Kansas City. You're not going to believe how easy it is to do with ChatGPT, an AI tool. It does everything you need to do, everything you want to do in easy steps. So let's go jump on the computer. Let's go. Okay, so now we're going to talk about ChatGPT 5.0. Now I'm going to tell you right now, there's a free version and a paid version. The paid version is $20 a month. But you don't need the paid version. You can do all this with the free version. So we're traveling. We stop at the Osceola Cheese place for a snack. Get there late afternoon. Gives a couple places to camp. Afternoon activity, dinner, evening, day 3. Breakfast, late morning, lunch, afternoon, choose a show, evening, day 3, relax. Leave home about 1 o'clock and get back in town about between 5:30 and 6. Got some quick trips. Now, let's do some other things. Let's do some local places to eat. Now, remember, we're still in Branson, Missouri, so see, here we go. We got the Farmhouse Restaurant, Branson Cafe, Clocker's Cafe, along Highway 76, Table Rock, Sweets and Treats. See, there you go. And it'll even interject these into your 3-day itinerary if you want. So let's do places to go that only locals know about. So now it's lots of hidden gems. Here we go. Lakeside Forest, Hills Fish Hatchery, theater, restaurants, unique experiences. You can rent a pontoon boat. Go top of the rocks cave trail. Again, it'll mix these in with your 3-day itinerary if you want to. Now we can do how about RV repair places, just in case you need a repair. And see how fast it is and how accurate it is. I mean, this isn't like doing a Google search. So it lists 1, 2, 3, 4 places, gives a quick review of them. Okay, now it's can you send the map to Google? And it's thinking away. It won't take too long. The nice thing about I'm not saying the other resources that we've used in the past, whether it was a Google search, a YouTube search, a RV Trip Wizard search, or the old-fashioned maps. But this is just so darn fast. And then if we go over here and click on this, I'm going to send it to Google Maps. And now we got it. So that's going to wrap it up. This was short and sweet. But if you want something that is short, sweet, and to the point, ChatGPT is it. I've been using ChatGPT around the house quite a bit lately. So anyway, if you want to take advantage of it, it's free. And it's a good resource. So if you like what you saw, give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. And if you want to know when the videos come out, ring that bell so you can get notified. So until we meet around the campfire, you all take care now. Bye-bye.